how to create zip file in mobile. So if you want to create zip file in your mobile, then you may not have the application to create a zip file. So what you need to do is you just need to go for your Play Store and install any application that will allow you to create a zip file. So go for Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can search for any application. So I'll be choosing an application which is File Manager Plus. So it has many features. You can also go with the same application, and once you install the application, you just need to tap on the File Manager Plus and tap on Next and access the request. Tap on Allow Access and Allow, and here you need to go for your file that you would like to convert or create to a zip file. So for example, I have those files on my downloads. So once you've chosen, now you just need to select the file that you would like to convert or create. Once you've selected, you can go for the bottom right, which has that more option, and then tap on compress. Once you tap on compress, now tap on OK, and it will start compressing. And that's it. Your file has been converted to a zip file. So that's how you can create a zip file in mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.